Happy birthday, Taba. Grabe, 35 years old ka na. Pakabait ka na, ah. Wala na akong mahihiling para sa'yo. May trabaho ka. Tapos may jowa ka pa. So, wala na. Speak good health na lang. And see you on May. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nelson.
Salamat sa ayuda. Ingat ka palagi.
Ingat, boss.
Happy birthday, Son.
Son, happy birthday. Alam namin may gera dyan. Sana huwag kang labas ng labas para hindi ka maputokan. Ikaw lang magpapaputok, okay? And syempre, more blessings sana sa'yo. And sa misis mo sana... Ay? Hindi, sana syempre bigyan na kayo ng blessing na gusto nyo. And ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninong Nelson.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Nelson. Ayan, we wish you all the best. We wish you good health, good finances, and see you around, Boss Nelson.
I
So,
pray
happy
more
birthday.
successful, Nelson.
Yan. And congratulations on your wedding day.
Happy birthday, Brother Nelson. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Kita-kits soonies. Bye.
Happy birthday to Nelson.
Happy birthday, Tito Nelson.
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday, Nelson.
We miss you.
Kuya Nelson, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, ay ang wish ko lang din sa sarili ko is pumayat na tayo. So, happy birthday. Nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. And kung ano man mangyari, we're always here. So, nandito lang kami para patawanin ka pag namamroblema at toxic ka na. So, happy birthday. We love you.
Naka-take 100 na ako. Ito na ang final. Happiest birthday, Nelson Luis. You know, Ate Ring and Kuya Ma will always be there for you. Okay? Don't expect Kuya Ma in this video. Alam mo na kung bakit.
Hello, Nono. Happy birthday. Sana pumayat ka na.
Happy birthday, Tito Nono.
Ay, Nelson, happy birthday. Para bukas. 32nd birthday mo na pala bukas. So 33.
33.
So enjoy your day. More candles to blow. Keep safe always. Mag-exercise na mo ha kay medyo matanda na kayo. Okay.
Happy birthday, Nelson. Tomorrow, enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Bye, Babs. Happy birthday. Stay healthy and stay in love.
Happy birthday, no? I wish you all the best in life. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Babs. Bilang mo ako ng regalo, ah. Ay, ikaw nga pala may birthday nga, no? Ingat kayo dyan palagi, Kuya Babs. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tol. Ingat ka palagi. Salamat sa sakripisyo mo para sa pamilya natin. Kita-kits na lang pag uwi mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, no?
Happy birthday.
No, happy birthday. Sana marami pang kaarawang darating sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa mo. Happy birthday.
No, happy birthday. Mag-ingay nyo dyan. Kaya sabi na kay Kim, bilisan niya para magkakapo na ako. Happy birthday.
Hi, love. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my love. I wish you more birthdays to come. And I hope your life is always filled with happiness, love, and all the things you deserve. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you for coming into my life and making so much better. Thank you for loving me the way you do, so genuinely and unconditionally. And wala, yun lang. And you have no idea how much happiness you gave me just by being you. And for that, thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord. And I don't know how I managed to put all of this together kasi nahiya ako mag-reach out, but I guess successful naman. So sana na-surprise ka and sana happy ka. Thank you sa mga friends mo, and especially sa family mo, sa parents mo, sa kuya mo, and sa ate mo, and sa mga kapatid mo, and sa parents ko din. Thank you guys for being so cooperative. So yun lang, sana happy ka, sana na-surprise ka, and enjoy your day, my love. I love you.